Should you consider Rottweiler ear cropping? Pros, cons, and considerations. Rottweiler ear cropping, pros, cons, and considerations. Ear cropping is a controversial topic when it comes to Rottweilers. Some owners choose to have their Rottweilers' ears cropped for cosmetic reasons, while others believe it is unnecessary and even cruel. In this article, we will explore the pros and cons of Rottweiler ear cropping and provide you with some important considerations to keep in mind if you are thinking about having it done. What is Rottweiler ear cropping? Ear cropping is a surgical procedure that involves removing a portion of a dog's ears to achieve a specific shape. In the case of Rottweilers, the procedure is done during their early puppyhood. The desired result is erect and pointed ears rather than the natural floppy ears that Rottweilers are born with. Pros of Rottweiler ear cropping. Proponents of ear cropping argue that there are several advantages to this procedure. One of the main reasons why people choose to have their Rottweilers' ears cropped is for aesthetic purposes. Some believe that it gives the breed a more intimidating and confident appearance. Additionally, cropped ears may also help prevent ear infections since there is better airflow to the ear canal. Another benefit of ear cropping is that it can improve the dog's ability to hear. By removing excess ear tissue, sounds can reach the ear canal more easily, resulting in improved hearing ability. This can be especially beneficial for Rottweilers that are working dogs or participate in activities such as obedience or agility competitions. Cons of Rottweiler ear cropping. Despite the potential benefits, there are also several drawbacks to consider before deciding to crop your Rottweiler's ears. First and foremost, the procedure is considered invasive and carries some risks. The surgery itself can be painful, and there is a risk of infection or complications during the healing process. Additionally, some dogs may experience chronic ear pain or discomfort even after the ears have fully healed. Another con of ear cropping is that it is purely cosmetic and serves no functional purpose. Rottweilers can lead happy and healthy lives with their natural floppy ears. Some argue that altering a dog's appearance solely for human preference is unnecessary and can be considered cruel. Considerations for Rottweiler ear cropping. If you are considering ear cropping for your Rottweiler, it is essential to do thorough research and consult with a reputable veterinarian. Not all veterinarians perform ear cropping, and it is crucial to find one with experience in the procedure. They should be able to explain the process, potential risks, and aftercare involved. It is also important to consider the legal implications of ear cropping. In some countries and states, the procedure is considered illegal. Even in places where it is legal, there may be restrictions on the age at which the procedure can be done and requirements for obtaining a special permit or license. You should also take the breed's breed standard into account. The American Kennel Club (AKC), for example, does not require ear cropping for Rottweilers to be shown in conformation events. However, some breeders may still choose to crop their dog's ears to adhere to historical standards or personal preference. Lastly, think about your Rottweiler's individual temperament and lifestyle. If your dog will primarily be a family pet and not actively competing in dog shows or working in specific roles, ear cropping may not be necessary. Consider whether the benefits outweigh the potential risks and discomfort for your dog. Conclusion: Rottweiler ear cropping is a divisive issue with valid arguments on both sides. It is ultimately up to the owner to decide whether or not to pursue the procedure. However, it is important to carefully consider the pros and cons, conduct thorough research, and consult with a knowledgeable veterinarian. Ultimately, the well-being and happiness of your Rottweiler should be the primary concern when making this decision.